Hey, good morning. This is Randy at Wine Cellar HQ. I wanted to make a quick video of what comes in the box. We have a WhisperCool 5000 right here behind me. This is the cold side of the unit, Extreme 5000 Ti. That is the controller. The contents of the box. So what comes in the box is this mounting bracket. The mounting bracket goes inside the framing that you built out and then will hold the system in place. We have a bottle probe, owner's manual. The bottle probe is optional. It comes with every system included, but you don't need the bottle probe to run the system. You can use the bottle probe to run the system if you like. This bag of goodies comes with the drain line, flexible drain line for the condensation pan. It comes with some weather stripping to go around the unit, power cord, some mounting screws. This is a self-contained unit from WhisperCool. Self-contained units mean they are fully charged, ready to go. So you pretty much open the box, verify your contents, make sure there's no damage, and then you will install it into the framing, into the wall, plug it in, turn it on, and it's cooling. So it doesn't get much easier than this. This is a really simple installation. I would say it's a two-person installation because the unit weighs 100 pounds, depending on which unit you got. They can weigh over 100 pounds, so that's something to keep in mind. Again, Randy Green, Wine Cellar HQ. We can help you with design. We can help you with your racking selection, sizing units. Look us up, winecellarhq.com. I'm here to help. I love talking wine cellars. Thank you.